Within Total Mobile, you have the capacity to send down information to the device that forces a user to read and receipt information that you pass down. In this case, enforcing a new HR policy before the first job is sent to the device. Once done, the user can then move on to accessing the new job that has been sent down to the device. In this example, this is going to be a cleaning inspection, and the user can accept that job, they can state that they are on their way, and they can also move through the workflow to state that they have arrived, taking GPS locations as they do that if necessary. Special instructions can be accessed on screen through the yellow triangle. The Total Mobile Folio application then allows the user to access information, which could be data, files or images, onto the device to help them do their job more efficiently. In this case, we can see a list of previous failures on the last cleaning inspection. Once the user is satisfied that they've read all the information they need, they can go on and access the relevant form that's linked to this particular job. In this example, it's going to be the monthly inspection form. The Total Mobile Forms applications allows the users of our software to design their own forms and have them published out to the various devices in use within their mobile workforce. On screen you can see a range of different fields that are being used, from drop-downs to text fields, to collect the information that's relevant to that specific cleaning inspection. Radio buttons, multiple choice, date fields and signatures can all be brought together within your electronic forms to ensure that all the relevant data is captured when your users are completing the various inspections. Any data that has been collected using the Total Mobile Forms application first goes back to the Total Mobile Middle Office web application before potentially being passed on to any back office system that requires this particular data. Before completing every form, you see a summary of the information that you've collected, and then back on the summary screen you can see that that form has been completed. The visit itself can then be signed off and closed down and passed into the history section of the Visits application module. As more jobs are accepted and completed by the user, they can access their timesheet information from the front screen to see how productive they have been throughout the day. If any other issues are spotted by the inspector at that particular property, they can be logged using our incident application. This allows for any issues outside of the work that's already been given to the inspector to be quickly collected using photographs and a GPS location, which can then be passed back to a back office system which can launch a job for a new operative to come out and fix that particular issue.